Finding the right vehicle quickly is key to working efficiently, and with MotorTech's Tech Info by Rego Lookup, it's easier than ever to access the correct repair information.
This edition of Tech Tips proudly brought to you by the Our Auto Series 3 Premium Diagnostic Tool, the essential MotorTech companion.
When first logging into MotorTech, the vehicle search window will automatically appear. The Rego Lookup tab will appear by default for subscribers who have it activated. Simply enter the vehicle's registration number and select the correct state. Rego Lookup functionality even works for our New Zealand subscribers. If a match is found, the vehicle details will be displayed. Just click "Yes, this is my vehicle" to proceed and access the relevant data. In cases where only a partial match is returned, MotorTech will automatically perform a keyword search and present a list of all possible matches. From there, simply choose the correct vehicle from the list. If the returned results doesn't match the vehicle you're working on, click "Not your vehicle." This will close the window and allow you to manually select the correct vehicle from the database. Once a vehicle has been selected, you can bring up the Rego Lookup window back up at any time by clicking on the Vehicle Search button, giving you quick access when you need to switch vehicles. It's just one more way MotorTech helps you work smarter, not harder. For support or questions, please call the MotorTech team on 1300 130 116 or email admin@motortech.com.au.